Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on ASST stock just 5 days ago, to be precise, on October the 30th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, around $1.25. And at this point, my main assumption was that as long as this asset doesn't have a sustained breakout below the $1.2 mark, we have all the chances to hit higher price targets. And guys, I told you that it is a very risky asset, and take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset had an attempt to break the level to the downside, bounced back immediately, and basically it is hovering slightly above $1.2 mark. So we still don't have this sustained breakout. And guys, I'm making this video because on the pre-market hours this asset is up by 2.4%, but Bitcoin is down significantly, and this makes me thinking that potentially the upside momentum is still here. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, guys, at the end of this video I will show you my most recent calls to action that I made in my Discord group. And if you want to benefit out of these calls pretty much on a risk-free basis with 100% money back guarantee, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So guys, and let's begin with the fundamentals of the stock. I showed you in my previous video, and let me show you one more time, that this asset fundamentally is not the best one. It doesn't have a lot of revenue. They have just $173.2 thousand. They are consistently losing money, and they are consistently diluting existing shareholders. From Q2 of 2024 to Q2 of 2025, the number of shares outstanding grew from roughly 3 million shares to almost 15.6 million shares. This means fundamentally it is not the stock that you want to see in your investment portfolio, but with the most recent momentum and with the very strong level of support, it can be another potential leg to the upside. And I will show you what I'm talking about in just 1 minute. Why I think this asset has a very strong range of support. First of all, let me show you that it doesn't have a proper support from the retail community, retail Wall Street Bets community, because in the Reddit threads it is on the 57th place among all other ticker symbols, and it lost, since I made my previous video, about 25 places in this rating. On top of that, you cannot find, and you will not find, this ticker in the stocktweets.com community and in watchers section of this website. And this means the momentum, the retail community momentum that supports its movement to the upside is vanishing. But we also don't have any bullish news. If you type in Google search bar ASST stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find any news that might support its movement and its very strong range of support from the technical standpoint. And we also don't have any signs of the rumors that might be a catalyst for this stock. That is why, guys, fundamentally, I want to tell you one more time, there is no news that might support its movement to the upside, but technically speaking, we have a very good setup. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, we have a very strong range of support slightly below the golden pocket level at the range of roughly $1.2 mark. You can see it right here. And as long as this level holds, we have decent chances to retest this top of about $1.83. Definitely, it is very risky trade, and I highly encourage you not to enter any positions at all, because if it goes to the downside and you don't know how to properly manage your position, you will lose much more than 7% of your capital. But if you put your stop loss slightly below this bottom, the risk to reward ratio to hit this price target will be almost more than, let's say, more than 6-1. And this is a very good risk to reward ratio. And if it goes to the upside, if it breaks this previous swing high, it will be a first confirmation of its movement, and it will be a very good sign of its medium-term trend. For now, it is up by 2.4%, but it means nothing because the volume on a pre-market session is extremely low, and we cannot rely on the volume of just 20,000. You can see it right here, of 20,000 shares within first 20 minutes of trading. If you compare it with the regular volume of more than 1 million shares on an hourly basis, definitely it is a... So guys, and let's take a look at the Discord group, and let me show you the most recent calls that I made to my patrons. You can see that just yesterday I wrote this post, high risk swing trade short BE. It is at overbought condition on multiple time frames, and it is at the top of its potential fifth wave. Guys, take a look at the time when I made it. It was made yesterday at 9:07 p.m. Let's take a look at this time. Here is this asset, and you can see this vertical line. It represented the exact point where I made this call, and from this point this asset went lower, and for now you can see that at the end of aftermarket trading session it went to the downside by 3.61%. And take a look right here. I partially closed my position, wait a second, I partially closed my position for about 2% of profit. When it reached this level of support, I closed this at this point. And take a look right here. For now, Bloom Energy is at $137. So, which means from the entry price, this asset went lower, and we can book, and my students can book up to 6% of profit. And you can see that this type of calls are not the unique ones. You can see another my call that I made on October 28th to short BYND, and I told them to do it with the price when the price of this asset was at $2.29. And guys, take a look where the price of BYND is right now. It is at $1.36, so which means from my call from $2.25, wait a second, I will show you right here, it went down by more than 39%. So the actual call to action, you can see that I made it just yesterday, too long matter. And from the technical standpoint, guys, it has all the chances to gain up to 6% to its value within the next several sessions. So that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.